Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you to everyone that has been subscribed to my channel, to all the likes, to all the shares, to all the comments. I really appreciate everyone that has been showing me a lot of love and support on this channel. Today we're going to be doing another swatch. So I got this Morphe palette by James Charles, and I really liked it when I saw the display in the store, and I really wanted it. I went into the store for the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, but when I saw this one and I saw the color and I compared them with each other, I decided to settle for this one. So I'm going to be unboxing this, and I'm going to be swatching the colors for you. Well, first things first, their packaging. I always talk about packaging now because I'm getting good products that have good packaging. So it comes with a bubble wrap, so just in case the palette falls, you don't have to worry about your palette breaking. So it comes like that, and let's open it together. And this is how it looks like. I'm going to call it the palette protector that protects all the palettes. So they all have names. Do they? Yeah, they do have names. Canvas or Convas, whichever it is. And then ring light, shimmer color. And then the next one is so good. Goldish color. And then we go to 518. Closer look. It looks orange. So I'm going to swatch that one as well. I'm going to try and do a second swatch. I think that's really good. These are gorgeous colors. That's beautiful. That is really beautiful. And then after Rusted, we have Halloween. Halloween is right here. Kind of like a, oh, that's so pigmented. I like that. That's like a shimmer shade as well. That is so beautiful. This palette kind of made a good decision. I like that. And then after Halloween, we're going to go to Wig. Ooh, we're going to go to Wig and swatch it as well. I want to give it a second swatch. And then we're going to go to T is the next one. So I'm going to swatch that as well. Kind of like a brown, kind of on the lighter side. I think that's good. Punch Me. Okay. I don't want to punch anyone, but that's the name of the color. I'm gonna put Punch Me right here. Oh, Punch Me is really beautiful too. And then I'm going to go to Sister. Sister, I like it. It's a shimmer shade as well. So I'm gonna, that's a beautiful one. And then after Sister, I'm going to go to Mary. Okay. I love Mary. It's a beautiful color. That's beautiful. And then after Mary, I'm going to go to Literally. Okay. Wow. That's beautiful. And then You're Kidding is the next color, which is a shimmer shade. I'm going to swatch that over here. So far so good. I'm not going to swatch all the colors. I'm going to go down to the last ones. The last ones, I'm going to pick just a few, and then I will give my overall feedback. I'm gonna start with B, which is this yellow. I really want it. Okay, this better be not. Okay, not bad. That's the yellow. And then we're going to go over to guac. Kind of like guacamole. That's another beautiful color right there, guac. And then we're going to go to hello, which is like a baby blue shimmer. Like, that's a great color as well. And then I want to try this purple. Which one is this? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Escape. Purple is Escape. Oh, that is so pigmented, you guys. Look at that. Yeah, I love this purple. I wanted to try that. And then the pink. I wanted to try the pink as well. There's the pink right there. That's another pigmented color. And I'm going to swatch it right there. That's beautiful. Like, that is really beautiful. I am happy with this palette. And I think they really, Charles really did a good job with this palette. I can't wait to use it. The colors do seem very pigmented, but I will have to try them on my eyes for me to really kind of have a feel of how they will blend in and how I'll be able to just play around with these colors. So I love that their packaging was really beautiful. So I kind of like that. And the fact that it's on the bigger side, like it's a big palette. So this will last you a long time. So I love the fact that it's big and it has a lot of colors. So that will definitely last you a long time. So yeah, that is my overall review on this palette. I super love it and I can't wait to try it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share if you've not already done so. Until next time, it is goodbye and see you in my next video.